QNAP Systems, Inc. today released the new TS832X 8-bay quad-core NAS with 2 built-in 10GbE SFP ports, providing users with a budget-friendly, high-speed network storage solution. It is also an ARM-based NAS that supports Tiered technology for auto-tiering, and its PCIe slots allow for the installation of peripheral cards like 10GbE NICs, QM2 cards, USB 3.1 10Gbps expansion cards, or wireless network cards to enhance the NAS with greater application potential. The TS832X is a step up from the TS831X, featuring an advanced 64-bit Cortex-A57 processor and DDR4 memory while also delivering computing power of 3 2GbE to benefit performance upgrade by 40%, said Dan Lin, product manager of QNAP. Continuing, coupled with the 10GbE connectivity and PCIe expandability, it provides a highly cost-efficient private cloud NAS solution. The TS832X features an Annapurna Labs, an Amazon company Alpine AL324 quad-core 1.7 GHz Cortex-A57 processor with 2GB/8GB DDR4 RAM, upgradable to 16GB, and supports SSD caching and QTS for optimizing storage performance and utilization. It comes with 2 10GbE SFP and ports to fulfill bandwidth-demanding tasks such as large data applications, fast backup/restoration, and containerized applications. The TS832X includes 2 PCIe slots that allows greater system flexibility, making it ideal for organizations and professionals that require performance and expandability. Users can install a 10GbE network card to boost bandwidth-intensive workloads, a USB 3.1 General 2, 10Gbps card for transferring large media files to from USB storage, a PCIe wireless network card to use the NAS as a wireless base station, or a QNAP QM2 card to add M.2 SSDs to configure SSD caching, M.2 SSD sold separately. There are also QM2 cards that include 10GbE 10GbE SFP connectivity to provide SSD caching with high-speed network connectivity on a single card. The intelligent QTS NAS operating system simplifies NAS management with greater flexibility and efficiency. Block-based snapshots enable comprehensive data protection and instant restoration, providing a suitable method for mitigating the threat of ransomware. As a multifunctional NAS solution for file storage, backup, sharing, synchronization, and centralized management, the TS832X is a productivity boost for daily tasks. Users can install various apps from the App Center to extend NAS functionalities, such as Container Station for LXC and Docker containerized applications, Qfiling for automatic file organization, and QVR Pro to create a professional video surveillance system. The TS832X can be expanded to accommodate growing data by connecting up to 2 QNAP expansion enclosures, UX800P and UX500P. Its unused storage capacity can also be used to expand the capacity of other QNAP NAS by using VJBOD, virtual JBOD. Key specifications: TS832X 8G8GB DDR4 RAM, expandable to 16GB. TS832X 2G 2GB DDR4 RAM, expandable to 16GB. 8-bay Tower NAS, hot swappable 3.5"/2.5" SATA 6Gbps HDD/SSD, Annapurna Labs, an Amazon company Alpine AL324 quad-core 1.7 GHz Cortex-A57 processor, 64-bit, 1x SODIMM DDR4 slot, 2x PCIe, GEN2X1, GEN2X2, slots, 2x 10GbE SFP and LAN ports, 2x Gigabit RJ45 LAN ports, 3x USB 3.0 ports, 1x built-in speaker, 1x 3.5mm line-out jack.